good dash cam is no longer just a nice extra for your car. It can protect you from false claims, capture hit-and-run accidents, and even lower stress during daily driving. The hard part is choosing one. I reviewed the best dash cams that drivers are talking about right now. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. Number 5. Best Rove R2-4K Dual Pro Dash Cam Front and Rear. The Rove R2-4K Dual Pro is a strong choice for drivers who want premium video quality and advanced features in one package. What stood out to me first was the sharp dual recording. The front camera records in true 4K, while the rear captures detailed 2K footage. That extra clarity helps when reading license plates or road signs during busy traffic hours. I also like how this model handles low light driving. The Sony STARVIS 2 sensors do a great job during night drives, especially on darker roads and parking lots in many parts of the United States. So dependable night recording matters a lot. The wide viewing angle also helps capture more lanes around your car. Dual STARVIS 2 sensors, Wi-Fi 6 fast transfers, 24-hour parking mode. The only downside is the price. It costs more than many mid-range dash cams. Still, if you want high-end video quality and smoother performance, this one earns its place on the list. Number 4. Best Rediger F77 Dash Cam Front and Rear. The Rediger F77 feels like a premium dash cam made for drivers who want top-level recording quality and modern controls. What impressed me most was the dual 4K recording. Both the front and rear cameras capture crisp footage, which is rare in this price range, during daylight. The details look sharp, and at night, the STARVIS 2 sensor helps reduce blur from headlights and streetlights. You can quickly adjust settings or review clips with simple taps. I think many drivers will enjoy the voice control feature too, especially during long commutes when keeping hands on the wheel matters. Dual 4K recording, touchscreen controls, built-in GPS tracking, professional installation for cleaner cable routing. Still, for drivers who want premium recording quality with modern features, this is a very capable dash cam. Number 3. Best e-eager dash cam front and rear. The e-eager S60 is one of the most budget-friendly dash cams on this list, but it still offers solid performance for everyday driving. The front camera records in 2.5K resolution, which looks surprisingly clear for price. What I like most is the compact design. It stays small on the windshield and does not block much of your view. That can matter during city driving or heavy traffic. The rear camera also helps when backing up or dealing with parking lot incidents. 2.5K front recording, wide 170-degree view, 24-hour parking monitor. The small screen may feel limited for some users, and the app experience is not as advanced as premium competitors. Still, considering the low price, this dash cam offers strong value and practical protection for everyday use. Number 2. Best 4K 3-channel dash cam front rear inside by Nanobee. The Nanobee M1 stands out because it records from 3 different angles at the same time. You get a 4K front camera, an interior camera, and a rear camera. That makes it a smart choice for rideshare drivers, taxi drivers, or families who want full cabin coverage during trips. I like that this package includes a 64GB card right away, so you can start using it without extra purchases. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and this type of full coverage can provide extra peace of mind. 3-channel recording, built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Interior cabin camera. The video quality on the side and rear cameras is not as sharp as premium dual 4K systems. Still, for the price, the amount of coverage you get is impressive, if full vehicle monitoring matters more than ultra-premium image quality. This is a strong option. Number 1. Best Pick Rove R2-4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. The Rove R2-4K Dual earns a top spot because it delivers the best balance of performance, price, ease of use, and reliability. After comparing all the models on this list, this is the one that feels like the safest recommendation for most drivers, giving you dependable coverage for daily driving, road trips, and parking situations. What makes this model stand out is how complete the package feels. You get a free 128GB memory card, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi transfers, Many dash cams charge extra for accessories, but this one includes almost everything needed to get started right away. I also appreciate the simple app experience. Downloading footage feels quick, and the menu system is easy to understand even for first-time users. The wide viewing angles help capture more traffic around your car, which is useful during highway driving and crowded intersections. Asterisk, asterisk 4K front recording, asterisk, asterisk. STARVIS 2 night vision. Free 128 gigabyte card included. No, dash cam is perfect. The rear camera records in full high definition instead of 4K, and some users may want a slimmer design. Even so, the real-world performance, reliability, and value make this the best overall dash cam for most people. Hashtag final verdict. If you want the best overall dash cam for performance, reliability, and value, the Rove R2-4K Dual is the clear winner. It offers sharp video quality, strong night recording, fast app transfers, recommendation on the list. Both models deliver solid protection for daily driving. Check the description links for current prices, discounts, and more details on each dash cam before making your final decision.